Hello, how you doing? Checking in real quick on this new little episode I have on my channel. I'm out camping right now. I tried to head out to Lytle Creek to see if I could retrieve my drone since it's in a tree. So I brought my old drone, I brought my new drone, and finds out, since I don't do any research, that they closed the gate for some reason, which I don't know why. There's no fires, there's no snow. So I'll try maybe to call tomorrow. I don't know if they're open on Saturday. But I ended up heading up to Big Bear. There was an accident, so obviously I had to wait for about an hour in a long line for the traffic to ease up after the accident. I'm not sure exactly what happened. Since I have Starlink, I was able to get on my phone and kind of just look, and it said there was an accident on the map. Hope everybody's okay on that. It wasn't that bad. But I got out here, and the one campsite, it's not a yellow post site. It's just like a, I forgot what they're called, BLM or the dispersed camping. It's always taken when I come. It's a nice spot because when there's sun, there's a very nice view in front of me. There's nice rocks behind me with some nice trees. And I brought my friends up here one time really late. There was people here, so we ended up finding another camp spot. But anyway, I made it to the one I really wanted to go to. There was two more that I really wanted to try also. If this one was taken, this is the furthest away from the lake, Big Bear Lake. As far as that I know, the little bit of time I spent in Big Bear, both spots were taken on my way up, and I thought for sure this one would be taken, but it wasn't, so everything worked out great. It's crazy. So anyway, I set up real quick. If you notice, I have a lot more lighting, so I'm lighting my scene with my truck side floodlights. There's a front light on. I'm about to turn those off in a minute. And then I got this Light Ranger 2000 that just showed up yesterday at my house. It's amazing. And I got these lights because my backup lights don't work very good at all. I can't see, but these hook to the tow hitch. It's like a handcuff that goes around the tow hitch, and they're wired up to my system. But they also do amber light, yellow light, and then flashing, so they're kind of chase lights. And then I also set up real quick. I'm heating my pan. It's too late for steak and potato. The potato, I have to cook it for like an hour and a half to 2 hours. I don't want to wait. It's already 9 o'clock. I'm trying not to eat too late as we get older, right? So I'm just gonna make a bagel ham and cheese sandwich real quick and turn off some of these lights, because before the lights went on, there is a lot of stars out tonight. No clouds at all. It's very, very minutely chilly. I don't know what it is. Oh, I have what do you call it? I'm flustered right now, sorry. I'm just excited to be here. I have one of these. It's 47.2 right now. Yes, that's a little bit cold, but when you're camping, that's actually not cold. I'm gonna cook my food, settle down. I've been kind of rushing trying to get set up. I'm gonna mess with my Light Ranger. I already got it hooked to my Bluetooth on my phone. It does some different stuff on it that I wanna mess with. And I might go for a night hike. There's some nice big rocks right here last time that looked perfect for like a light climbing. But it's supposed to snow Saturday night. Tonight's Friday night. And I hope it does, because last time I was here is when it snowed, I believe. I think the last time I was here it snowed. I missed all summer this year. I was doing other stuff, camping in other areas, but I wanted to come back here because there's a bunch of spots I haven't tried yet. But now they're closed because the fires were on that side of Big Bear. That's where I wanted to camp. But I don't know, I'll see. I'm gonna cook my food. I'll check back in with you. Thank you for joining me again. And I'm gonna enjoy this now for a little bit. Thanks. No. Over there's a lake. Pretty far away. Maybe 5 miles, 10 miles? Pretty far. I'm pretty far back in here between Big Bear and Apple Valley. Once I got on the main road, it takes about 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes to get back this far. I love this spot. I don't know if I want to lose it tomorrow. I wanted to go explore, but it's So I need to start buying a tent. Oh, I can smell this thing burning. I don't want to burn it. It's not even, it's just not going to cook either, but it's fine. This is amazing. I cannot wait for tomorrow morning. Hopefully this wind is a little breeze going through. It's a little chilly. Very small, but it's going down my throat. I can feel the coldness. Oh, it's picking up. Don't get windy yet. Let me enjoy this. I mean, I can always move the car to block the wind. But, oh, this is awesome. I was just saying, I hope this wind guard is helping with the mic. It's nice and cooked. Just want to heat up the meat real quick. We need to heat up a whole lot. I like to just get it a little bit brown. Oh, that smells good. So I am going to pull this, so what I'm recording on right now, because I have had people ask me what I use for cameras. This is a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I bought the creator package. I think it was $600 or $700 when I bought it. You can find them online on Facebook Marketplace now for like $400 or $500 for the creator package. You really need the creator package. Comes with a little extra battery, the mic. The mic helps a lot if you're trying to do some little bit better quality stuff. For the basic YouTuber, content creator, if you're trying to stay small, don't have a lot of money to put into it, I know $600-700 is still a lot. But when you're looking at some of the gear that some other YouTubers are using, they're spending $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 worth of gear. It's crazy. I mean, I can't talk. I kind of am working my way up there. But mostly I use the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The 4 should be coming out soon, I think. This is 2025 in January. I believe the new one will come out soon, so look out for that. But you'll be able to find these ones online right now for a good price. They work really good in low light. The gimbal helps a lot. I do like the Hero style. I have a Hero style camera. 2 of them, they're Acer Pros, Insta360 Acer Pros. They work really good in sort of low light, but once it gets this low, well, with this light, it'll probably work good. But normally with just a little bit of fire and a little bit of light, the Insta360 Pro, Acer Pro, falls off a little bit compared to the DJI Osmo. So for car stuff, if you're thinking about doing car stuff, I would get a Hero or an Acer Insta360 Acer Pro. I like them a lot. My last video, I did a lot of stuff with the Acer Pro at Alabama Hills with my buddy when he was cooking outdoors, and the video looks amazing. I mean, it's crazy. This looks amazing also, but you need a Hero style or something for the car, you know, for the windshield or for the outside of the car, or the outside of the car or truck facing backwards, a magnet to connect it to the car, or a sucker, or both, and a window suction. So you need at least 2 cameras, I would say. And a small drone. You could get the DJI Mini 3 or the Mini 3 Pro. They're very affordable right now. The Pro, I think I found them for $600 or $700, but when I bought it, I think it was $1,200 for the combo with the extra batteries. Now you could get a used one for $600, $700. And the Mini 4 Pro drone is out also, and you can find them on Facebook for a good price. So if you're looking to get into this, I know some people are, I would say just do it. I mean, my channel's not all that popular. I don't really have a lot of momentum, but I love doing it, and it's something that my kids could watch when I'm not here one day. I wish I had some context of what my dad did when he was younger. Not that I'm young, I'm 40 something. But would it be great if I got a good following and it gained momentum, and maybe in 5 or 10 years when I'm retired, this might pay for me to be able to help pay for retirement, and for me to keep doing this as I retire. I'm hoping to be able to do this as I retire, and it would be great if I could just do what I love. I love camping. I love being outdoors. I want to upgrade my truck at some point and be able to go a little bit further outside in other parts of California, other states when I retire. And by then I'll have all the camera gear that I want, not necessarily that I need, but that I want. Because I do want more camera gear. And if I could just retire 5 or 10 years, I'm 45 now, so if I'm 55, 60 and I retire, and this could help pay for some of my retirement, maybe not all of it, but everything helps, I would enjoy that. That would be awesome. If not, I love doing this. I'll just keep doing it. I'm going to do it anyway. I might as well record it, give my kids something to watch, give my family and friends something to see what I like to do. I don't know. But what I'm saying is, if you think you want to do it, you should just do it. Don't wait any longer. Go on. You could get even old heroes, which still record. My son has an old hero from like 12 years ago, and it still records great. We were going over his stuff, and he's doing really good with my old. I had a Sony Alpha 6400 or 6000, old camera. I was going over my son's videos with him the other day. His little hero that he has, I think it was like 12 years ago. Still looks great. We were looking at his recordings and everything, and he's just pumping little videos out, taking a little photography with one of my old cameras I gave him. He loves it. Ooh, little breeze. It's hitting me now. Oh, I gotta eat. Oh my God. That was good. I want to heat up a little bit more. I got the fruit punch. It'll fix its feet so it can sit up. Yeah, this is going to be a good night. Alright, I am all set up inside the camper. I hung out outside for a little bit, looked at the stars. A little cold breeze kept coming through, so I decided to come in and get ready for bed. I'm going to try to wake up early. Hopefully, I like sleeping in, but this is my messy setup. It's never really actually clean. I still had some trash from last time that I forgot to take out. Like coffee grounds, a dirty soap bottle. I got a new one still, but that's what my bed looks like. Have my toilet right here. This is my outside toilet that I can fold out. Has a bag in there. Underneath is my EcoFlow. Underneath over there is my Lifetime 230 amp hour battery. My extra 12 volt fridge, because this one I still haven't fixed it yet. This is my camper coming apart because the roads I go on. Camera bag. I always bring a chair inside, because the chair that that's built in is just not comfortable. So I bring the chair and I sit it down in the middle right here, and I usually pop my feet up right here, and like I put my iPad right there, watch some YouTube videos, watch some other people's camping videos, and then get ready to go to bed. You hear that fan kicking on, that's my heater. Well, it's been on, but it goes off and on. I have it on a thermostat. It's nice and warm in here. It says it's 55 degrees in here right now, so it'll probably cut off at 59, I think. So anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. Hopefully wake up early, get some nice drone video of the area that I'm in, because it's beautiful. And it'll be snowing by 8 o'clock Saturday night, and hopefully I'll be able to get out Saturday morning and head home. We'll see. I have my kids Sunday afternoon, 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I gotta make sure I make it home. But I'll see you in the morning. Thanks.